Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to the water park.
Yes! Get ready quickly. We will leave in 1 hour.
Wow! I want to try the big water slide. I will swim in the wave pool.
Did you pack the towels?
Yes, I packed towels and extra clothes.
I brought my swimming goggles. I have my pink swim tube.
Look! We are finally here.
Stay together and be careful.
I want to go to the giant slide first.
Let's take a selfie.
This slide is so fast. The wave pool is amazing.
I am relaxing near the pool.
Let's eat some ice cream now.
We had a wonderful day.
I am tired, but very happy. Can we come again next month?
Yes, we will plan again soon.